Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Verma from Max International School. I am physics lecturer and today I will discuss the topic mechanics. Now what is mechanics? It is the branch of physics. It is the branch of physics in which we deal with the objects in rest or in motion. Now, there are three branches in mechanics. First one is statics. In this branch, we deal with the study of objects at rest. We deal with the study of objects at rest. Like in 12th class, there is first chapter, first unit, the name is electrostatics, which means charges at rest. Okay, electro means charge and static means, as we are studying, at rest. So we will study charges at rest. Now second branch is dynamics, in which we deal with the objects in motion. And the third branch, that is kinematics. It also deals with the objects, with the study of objects in motion. Now you will ask, what is the difference between the dynamics and the kinematics, because both deal with the objects in motion. Now in kinematics, we will not consider the cause of motion. We will not consider the cause of motion. Now simple question कि what causes the motion, कि motion का वजह क्या है, किस वजह से motion आता है. तो it is force, a force which bring the body at rest into motion. Okay. Now we will not discuss about the force in this branch. We will only discuss about the motion. We will not discuss about its cause. Now in this unit, we will study two chapters in 11th, that is chapter number 3, motion in a straight line, and chapter number 4, motion in a plane. Now dynamics, it also deals with the study of objects in motion. Now in this, we will consider force. Means we will consider what is the cause of motion. So first chapter is chapter number 5, laws of motion. Clear? So this is all about mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics in which we study about the objects which either in rest or in motion. It has three sub branches. First is statics, in which we deal with the study of objects at rest. For example, 12th first chapter is electrostatics, in which we deal with the charges at rest. Then second sub branch of mechanics is dynamics, and third sub branch is kinematics. In both the branches, we will deal with the study of objects in motion, but in kinematics, we will not consider the cause of motion, which is force. So we will not talk about the force in these two chapters, but in dynamics, we will consider the force. Okay, so note it down, and that's enough for this topic.